Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the Ere Perez Mango Lip Honey in the shade Chili, which is a really beautiful spicy nude colour. Now this is a high shine lip gloss which is also really hydrating on the lips, so it's also going to nourish while adding the perfect amount of colour. Now I like to use this gloss one of three ways. I like to use it either on its own and just put it straight onto the lips. I like to apply a little bit over the top of my favourite lipstick, but just in the centre of my bottom lip for a little bit of dimension and shine. Or my favourite way to use it is by applying my favourite lip liner and then applying the Mango Lip Honey directly over the top. By doing this, I find that the lip honey helps to fuse with the lip liner and creates a really beautiful natural finish. Now this lip gloss comes with a doe foot applicator which also has a slight curve, so it helps to hug the lips while you're applying it and add an even amount of coverage and shine. So let's start by just applying it solo so you can see exactly what it looks like on the lips. So as you can see, wearing it solo adds the perfect amount of colour and shine. It's almost like your lips, but better, and that's why I really love using it for every day. The other way I like to use the Mango Lip Honey is by applying it over the top of my favourite lip liner. So I'm going to go in with the Ere Perez Acai Lip Pencil in the shade Shy, and then apply the Mango Lip Honey in the shade Chili over the top. I personally like to apply the lip pencil to my whole lip and then purse my lips together for an even coverage and finish. And so now I'll go in with the Mango Lip Honey to add the perfect amount of shine to this lip look. So as you can see, by applying the gloss over the top of the liner, it fuses the products together and creates a really beautiful high shine colour and finish.